Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove a window handle. First, you have to remove these two caps here, one here, one here. After, remove the two screws that are holding the handle. As you can see from the old handle, this one is shorter than the new handle. So I'm gonna have to cut it. I don't think I can change it, this one to the new one. So I'm gonna cut it. So I've cut the new one to size. Now you just put it back. Have these caps, looks like they sent just one, and you put it here. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.